Hello, Demon Missile here, and today I'm going to be showing you my Doors Floor 2 Seek Chase in a Build a Boat for Treasure. This is incomplete, but I kind of like it so far. So obviously here's the door, and here's the inside. I know it's not that great, but I think it looks pretty nice. Obviously, I made a mistake here. I made this like too big, but then again, I'm not gonna get rid of it because it does look neat. Obviously, these stones here don't look that nice, but it's not that deep. Also, we have these here, which look. As I said before, I'm not that good at building in this game, and yeah, a lot of things that I need to learn. I mean, still a lot of tricks I need to do. I'm gonna unanchor this all quickly so I can show you some of the best stuff. Now here, this is where the where Seek's body parts will come out. As of now, I got rid of the original pieces so I could make them more detailed. I'll do that later. And here's the water. It doesn't flow, but yeah. Here we have the vitamins. It says to take vitamins before a chase. And this is just so the person running can obviously avoid getting caught. Yeah. We have some stones, a broken wood pieces, and a light, another one, another big light. I think I just took one, right? Yeah, I'm definitely moving faster. So, here. Now here, that opens. Now there was originally going to be a camera over here that would turn around. But as we can see, guiding light is here. And here, Seek's sludge starts to appear, and this is where his body parts would come out. And obviously here, this is where his eyeballs would come out. And here, this entire, all of the Seek sludge is just pushed up by a piston. And it goes above the normal water. And now, if we go through this door, the 141, here we can see that I haven't finished this. And it's been like months since I've continued working on this, so I will get to this again soon, but this already took a lot of blocks, so that is why I had such a big burnout from making this, and yeah. Anyways, that's going to be it, so bye.